So we started with a block here in SolidWorks. Made that just a little while ago. And then because I don't have the cam feature in SolidWorks, I had to import it into Fusion 360 here. And what you're seeing right here is a simulated mill with a very small 1/16 of an inch bit. And if I wanted to, I could actually simulate this run right now and hit play, and it'll actually go through the cutting path of like simulating what would happen when this code is executed using a mill. I'm going to pause this. But then we went over here and we post-processed this, and what it does is it creates G-code, which is line-by-line code of XY, like a Cartesian coordinate system, XYZ code for where to position these stepper motors. So after that was done, I have this program right here, which is Universal G-code sender, and this is what actually talks to the stepper motors through this Arduino Gerbil shield. And so what we can do is over here was we can browse, and we would navigate to where that G-code file that I saved in Fusion 360 is, and then I would say visualize just to make sure we're on the right page. And sure enough, all those little white squiggly lines are what the tool path would follow to remove the material in order to cut away and have my name. So then from here, I could say send this file down, because I'm already connected to the Gerbil shield and the servo motor. So right now I'll hit send. And what it's doing is it's referencing a home's position. It's actually going back to home. And then from here, if I bring back up that visualization of what's actually happening, you can see that's all the lines of code being sent to the stepper motors, XY positions. And then if you look over here, you can see the B has already been cut. Now it's advancing to the R. It's actually removing the material there in the R. And I've already ran this once, so I know how long it takes, but it takes about 4.5 minutes for this profile to be executed. It's pretty neat. That was it advancing to the next letter. Here it is removing material for the Y in Brian. And Y is done, so it's going to advance to A. There it goes. So here goes A. That little hesitation, that little pause would actually be a moment for the Z axis to either retract or plunge into the material in between letters. Pretty cool stuff.